Monday is FUNday. Sunday is a run day. Run until we won day. Relax when we're done day. What a busy Sunday. Monday is a fun day. Let's sit out in the sun day. Eat a sticky bun day. What is Sunday? Monday. Tuesday is a shoes day. Which pair should we choose day? Hop and skip and Tuesday. What a silly Tuesday. Wednesday is a friend's day. Let's draw with paint and pens day. Hope it never ends day. What a happy Wednesday. Thursday is a purrs day. A tails and claws and furs day. Which do you prefer day? What a cuddly Thursday. Friday is a fly day. A stretch and touch into the sky day. We can jump so high day. What a funny Friday. Saturday is a batter day. Pancakes on a platter day. A slappy, snappy, super day. What a yummy Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, too. Wednesday, Thursday, just for you. Friday, Saturday, that's the end. Now let's say those days again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.